So, represent ko lang ngayon si Area Unit, our single attached home here in Cavite. Area Unit has a lot area of 99 square meter and a floor area of 86 square meter, sorry. Meron itong 4 bedrooms and 2 toilet and bath. Parking lot is also cemented na, and yes, open for financing po ito. So we have in-house, deferred, and bank financing, all processed po by the developer. So as per turnover, meron po tayong white tiles, 60 by 60 ang sukat. And nandito na rin ang ating first bedroom. Then ang sunod naman na pinto ay ang pinakamalaki nating toilet and bath. Then nandito na po tayo sa second room, dito sa second floor, which is napakalaki. And we have the second room here. So ito po, may another door siya for the master's bedroom. Then nandito naman po